Below me I have Meizu M6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. First, let's go to settings. Let's scroll down and tap the personalization. Here let's tap wallpaper. And here from the list we can choose the desired wallpaper. Let's change it to this and hit the apply. Here we can choose where should it be applied to. We can choose lock screen, home screen, or both. Let's set it up to home screen only at the moment. Okay. As you can see, wallpaper changed. We can also do it quicker way. We just touch and hold on the main screen and tap the wallpaper. And here we just tap here and apply. As you can see, we can choose home screen and tap the OK to change it. That should be all. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video.